So we will be doing front-end mentor challenge today. This is the second day of the 5-day schedule. So hope all you all have liked the yesterday's video, the yesterday's project, and just to tell you once again, as many people have doubt regarding the certificate. So candidate has to submit all 5 projects, has to do all 5 projects themselves, and have to submit the GitHub link to us. We will check the projects and then we will allot a certificate. This time, no participation certificate is required. We will be giving the project challenge certificate. This is a different type of certificate, and doing this will add to your career or to your resume. So hope by this you all came, because so many people are asking that, sir, what to do, I'm not able to watch the video, can I watch it later? And you will provide me the certificate. So when you have time, please watch, do the project, and submit, and share the GitHub link. We will check it out, that how what you have done, how you have done, what is the accuracy, and then we will allow the certificate. All 5 projects for all 5 days. Do anytime as per your convenience. So hi all, waiting for some more to join. Then we will be doing the project for day 2. In case anyone has any doubt regarding the yesterday's project, you can also ping today. And we will be doing a little bit fast today because today's project is a little bit fast. And this is all this thing what we have learned last week in the CSS. We all will be implementing today or in this week. So this will help you all to actually relate the theoretical with the practical. So let's start now. Already, so let's open the Frontend Mentor site. Try free first. Once you expertise in free, then go to the chargeables. There are so many projects in free also. We will be picking some more of them in the next coming days. Yesterday we had done did this one single price grid component. There is a project. Where was that? Yes. 4 card feature section. This is the best project where most of the things what we have learned in CSS will be covered. Let's check it out. The mobile view. This is the mobile view, and this is the desktop view. So let's start now. Download starters. So what to do? Four card. As I told you earlier, also download it, unzip it, simply drag the folder to the VS Code. Nothing more to do. So the desktop design. The design, okay. So this is the four sections what you have to build. As you all can see, this is the header. These both are H1s, and these are the subsections. Okay, these you can say as H3. These are paragraph tags. These are image, and this is again a paragraph. And you all can see a border box. Oh, sorry, shadow. And this is a border top. And we have to use some of flex and some of grid to adjust these things accordingly. And let's go to the mobile view. Mobile view is very simple because nothing is there, just all these boxes have to be aligned one after the another. Okay, fine. So the basic understanding has been taken now. So now let's see whatever is the index file. Index, the the by default browser is Safari here. So let's change to Chrome. Close it out. Okay. So now let's adjust the things accordingly so that what code we are writing will start reflecting in a live environment. Okay, fine. So let's start. So as you all can see, this is the basic index file what we have received, and there are so many things. The matter is there in the file, and how to use it, that we need to decide. So let's increase the font size so that you all are in a position to see it. I hope this is visible, and let's start it now. So let's first give a link file to link style and create a style file. Later on we'll do what to do in style. So let's create a basic skeleton where you all can see two headers are to be there and a paragraph tag, followed by subheaders and subparagraphs, including, and to add the image files what I guess has been provided. Yes yes things are there. We need to simply attach and move to style.css. So in the body, let's create a header first. inside the header, let's have h1, and this h1 and this h1 will contain this reliable efficiency delivery. Select it, alt tab, keep on saving the things. Okay, so this is the main. Close it, open it. This is the main. Reliable. This is the main heading, reliable, efficient, and delivery. So let's move it out to the next part. Create another h1 and move forward by technology there. Save it. Yeah, it's fine. Then after this header, we need a paragraph tag which contains this thing, our artificial. Select it, use alt tap arrow, move it. See, things have started coming now. And after this header tag, let's have a class called container. Let's create a class called container. Div dot container, and inside that div, let's have a class name box. Why box? Because there are all these box are identical. Let's see one. All these box are identical, and giving a simple style to this class will reflect across. So this will be a help to avoid extra styling. So moving back to index, class.box. So let's have a h3 tag. Inside that h3 tag, let's create the first box. Save it. So things coming into picture. And after this h3, let's have a paragraph tag. Now save it. So as you all can see, supervisor and below this matter has been created. Now there is an image tag which needs to be implemented. So let's use the image src, and in this supervisor. Select the supervisor, and in the alt, give it the name as supervisor. So this is the basic picture. Under the inside the column, inside the section of supervisor has been added. Basic alignment is required in order to move this to the right side of the box, that we will do in styling. So let's do one thing. Let's replicate the things This div is the this, and okay, fine. So inside this div, let's copy it. Control C and paste it 4 times. While the time, Control X, change it to this. Control V, and we need to change the image also. Here we need to select the image for team builder, and we'll give the name as team. Okay, so now again copy this. Control V. Control V. Okay, so karma, let's select karma. Control X. Where is karma? First, second, third. Okay, fine. Change the name alt, and the last one is calculator. Control V, calculator, and save it. So this image needs to be corrected for calculator because we have do the copy paste model. So the image also has been copy pasted. The calculator. So the basic structure, or you can say the basic HTML is done. All 4 sections has been created. The headers, the paragraphs, the images has been inserted. So what is left now? So what is left now? Let's remove this footer now. No need. Save it. Okay, fine. Save it. So it is looking good. As you all can see, basic structure has been completed. Now, moving on to the styling part. Styling will take time. Just wait for a second. Okay, so let us see the style guide now, which has been provided to us. To select the colors, select the font size, select the font. So the font size has to be 15 px. Font family has to be Poppins with the font weight as 200, 400, 600. And the body copy, fine. 3 types of colors has been there, and all these 4, I guess, are of the 4 sections. 1 minute. All these four sections bottom, oh sorry, four sections top, margin top, as you all can see, has been allotted a different color, and where to use the rest. 1 minute. And all this h3 have a different colors. In fact, this h1 also have a different color. Sorry. So let's start now with the basic spelling. For this, uh, let's download the Google fonts. Simply style guide. And so as you all can see, Poppins with font weight 200, 400, 600 has to be inserted. So earlier remove all Poppins 200, 400 and 600. Where is 200? This is the 200. Select it. 400. 600. So simply copy it and paste it. Google will automatically pick the fonts from here. As soon as I save this file, you will see the changes in the font. No, it is not coming. So not an issue. When we give the fonts to the sections box and container, it will start coming. So let's move it out. Let's do some styling in the body first. Font family. The name of the font is Poppins, as you all can see where it is written Poppins. So copy it. It is very difficult. So we'll do one thing. Control C and so Poppins font, a comma followed by a fallback font. So in case this font is not available somewhere, Google will automatically pick the second available font. Sorry, Google, not Google. The browser which is using this page will automatically pick the next available font what we have given here. Save it. So as you all can see the changes in the open page. So moving on to the next line, let's give a background color available. What is the background color? Sorry. This is the background color HSL. As I told you, in the live projects, colors will only be given in HSL format only. As you all can see, it is very similar to white, so the color has changed now. So the basic styling for the body is completed now. As you all can see, nothing is done. Box sizing, border box, save it, fine. Now moving on to the header part, we'll give the margin as 50 px auto. Save it. As you all can see, the margin. Okay. Moving on to the next. Let's give max width as 500 px. Text align center. Save it. So this is the header. As you all can see, this is the header. In the header section, two subheaders are there, followed by a paragraph. So all these are aligned centrally. Okay. So now moving on to the next part, let's do some styling in H1. Giving some font weight 300 and margin as 0. Why? Because as you all can see, where is the desktop preview? It is not bold as what is reflecting in what was reflecting earlier. So that's what we have done, and we have to make this upper header reliable, efficient delivery, a little bit fade comparative to the second header powered by technology. So we'll be doing now. So let's target H1 nth style nth style 2, that is nothing but the powered by technology. H1 nth child 2 powered by technology. Okay, fine. So let's make it some little bit bold. So yeah, it is perfectly fine now. It is normal, and it is the second one is a bold. So it is now coming. Moving on to the next part, paragraph tag. There is a color given to paragraph now by the style guide. This is the color. See, all the paragraph tags have the same color, and now all are in the same color. Okay, so let's do some styling in container. Always copy the class name it will be a beneficial for you. Dot container. Let's give some display aspects. Max width. Max width double some sorry 1000 px. Some more to be added. Now it is looking fine. So now moving on to the next part. Margin 0 space auto. By 0 it has to align to extreme left of the box, all the four boxes. Flex wrap justify content center. Why center? Because all the content has to be in the center only. So now let's align the boxes. The class box which contains all the three headers: supervisor, team builder, calculator, and karma. Dot box, as all have background color as white, so let's give it as white only. Okay, yes, it is looking good. Now, as you all can see, there is some box shadow. So, box shadow 3px 6px 42px 4px followed by RGBA 0, comma 0, comma 0, comma 0.75. Closing the brackets. Save it. So a box shadow has been created, as you all can see. So another box shadow has to be given. Box shadow box shadow 1 minute. This we have given in one side. Okay, so let me see. 1 minute. This we have to give in all the three sides. So Control C, Control V, Control V, save it. So it is perfectly looking fine now. 3642px, 4px, 0.75. Now let's give some padding. 20px. Save it. No, 30px will work more perfect. Yes. Border radius. Let's have some border radius. 5px. Have some need to give some margin also. Margin, let's say 15px, and width 350px. Displays flex and flex direction column. So the basic structure has now come. All the four sections has been created, and now the basic alignment has to be and the basic alignment is left, where we need to adjust in a pattern which is being asked in this meta challenge. So as you all can see, all four boxes have been created. The image, this image needs the size of the image needs to be adjusted and move to the right direction. Because of this image size, the size of the box is very big, and a border top border has to be given, and no, it is fine now. Let's do some more styling in the box. So dot box targeting h3, margin 0, font size font size 22px. Hello, it is now aligning into picture. Okay, good. So now the main part is aligning the images. Align self flex end. Yes, now it's perfect. As you all can see, this image move to the end of the boxes. where we have placed them. So let's do some more styling in the paragraphs. As you all can see, no, inside the paragraph, inside the box. So dot box space p font size as you have seen 16 px was given in the style guide, or 14 px, sorry. Okay, okay. Now font size is there, have some margin. So what has happened? We have given margin for three sides: top, left, and bottom. Top, right, and bottom, not the left side. So as you all can see here, a border line on the top of every box is there. So let's add now dot box nth child one border, no border bottom, border top 5 px solid, and a color is there for all the boxes, different color for different box. Where is the style guide? Just copy it and paste it. See, it's there. So now let's do it. Copy and paste it for Control C, all the four. Only we need to change the color. Save it. So it is there. Now all have the same colors. We need to change it, as I have given the inner child name, so they have taken it. So the next is so it's in the same pattern. It's in the same alignment. I've changed it for the second one. Let's correct it. Control V. Control C. Now see, all have different colors. Box and child 1 and child 2 and child 3 and child 4. Okay, fine. Border top. All have border top. 5px solid. So now the main part is left. Dot box. Nth child. Transform. Translate. 50%. Now we have to move y axis as you all can see. The movement is done now. The desktop is completed. Now we need to design the mobile view also, where all these sections are one after the another. Why it is looking here? Because I have changed the screen. This is the screen size in 100%, where you all can see it is looking good, and as per the challenge what we have taken from the front end mentor. So now let's give some basic styling for mobile view. Direct media, max, max width, so here this box and its child, change it to 0. Dot box and its child, transform, translate y axis to 0. So I hope it will work. Not this thing. Let me save it this, and yes, it is looking fine. This is a mobile view, and this is a tablet view, and this is a desktop view. So this is a complete code, and we are done now. One more thing I want to tell you: just right click, inspect, and click here. See, There are n number of types of handsets. Preview there. Select it and see it how it is being shown in particular that mobile or model. So I am done now for the day. Once again repeating, candidate has to do all the 5 days project by themselves, prepare it, upload it, and share as a GitHub link. Then only certificate will be issued. Thanks a lot. We will meet tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. with the day third challenge. Bye bye. Take care.